Hi everyone, welcome to Luminary Academy, and today we are solving a question which is based on functions. So if you see here, there is a function given to you fx, that is 4x plus 1. So this is a function, and this function is another function, that is gx, that is 6 minus 2x. Now what we need to do is we need to find f of 3. F of 3 means we need, in the function f we need to put 3. So in the function f, if I put 3, it will be 4, 3 plus 1. That means in the place of x you need to put 3. So if I solve this, it will be 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, that is 13. So very easy. I hope you like this, children. And if you will practice more question, it will be more easy for you to understand such type of questions. Now another question is f of 3 and then gf3. So that means in the function f, you need to put 3. So if I put 3 here, you already got 13, right? You have done this function here itself. So they are connected questions. Now 13 you need to put in g function. So that means you need to put 13 here. So I will write it like this: 6 minus 2, and then in the place of x I'll write 13. So by that way you will get 6 minus 13 times 2 is 26. So the answer is minus 20. I hope you got the idea how to solve such type of questions. Now in the next question we need to find the inverse of gx. So inverse of gx we need to find. So in the inverse of gx, we have a simple method, steps which you need to follow. So first step is step 1, make gx equal to y. So you need to make gx as y, and then 6 minus 2x, write the function as it is. Clear, children? Now instead of now the step 2 you don't need to solve, you need to interchange x and y position. So you need to change the position of x and y. So by that way it will be x is equals to 6 minus 2y. Now another step 3. So this is 3, this is 2, and this is step 1. So in the third step you need to make y as a subject. Right, children? So if you make y as a subject, it will indirectly give you g inverse x. So I'll shift this to this side. So x minus 6 and then minus 2 in the denominator. So that will be minus 2 and y as it is. So by this way, and you need to shift this negative sign in the numerator. So this will become 6 minus x upon 2 is equals to y, which is g inverse of x. So this is your answer. I hope you like this simple trick, children. So it is very easy. You need to just practice such questions, and then you will be just able to solve such questions. Now the same question is continuing, fourth part of this question. So the same question, but they're asking that fx is equals to g of 2x minus 7. So in the function g, you need to put 2x minus 7. So if I put it like this, it will be 6 minus 2, and in the place of x you will write 2x minus 7. Right, children? And in the place of fx I will write this function, that is 4x plus 1. Now you just need to solve the value of solve this to get the value of x. So by that way, x minus, so 6 minus 2 times 2 is minus 4x, and then if you multiply this, it will be 2 times 7 is 14, so it will be minus will be positive. So positive 14. Now here it is 4x plus 1. Clear, children? Now I can just shift this to this side, and the constant one side and the variable one side. So it will be 4x plus 4x will be equal to 6 plus 14 minus 1. So this will give you 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 minus 1, children, kya hoga? 19. 20 minus 1 is 19, and 4 plus 4 is 8x. So x is equals to 19 by 8. So 19 by 8 is your answer. So I hope you like this question, children. So for more important questions and past paper questions, you just need to follow Luminary Academy, and keep watching and keep sharing.